Hey, let's get the latest with that radar. Meteorologist Troy Bridges.
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of those pop-up showers, and a lot of these aren't really moving very much, and that's why the flooding risk is really going to be going up as we head into the next few hours. Now, eventually, we'll see more development moving in from the west. Right now, right on top of Marion County, Ocala, over to the Ocala National Forest, and then back down into Bushnell and Sumter County, seeing some rain. But really, the heaviest of the rain that we're pinpointing right now, moving through Flagler County, and then also stretching all the way down through Volusia County. So we're going to pinpoint some of these heavier downpours. You see Palm Coast, where you're seeing the deeper reds. Also here for Beverly Beach, Flagler Beach, and then back into Bunnell, we're seeing those pockets of heavy rain where you're seeing the reds. About 2 inches of rain an hour in some of these pockets. Holly Hill, Daytona Beach as well. But look at this, Port Orange south into Ponce Inlet, also seeing that pocket of really heavy rain, a couple of inches an hour, and it just continues all the way down the coast as we walk you down to Oak Hill and then eventually into Kennedy Space Center. Look at that. We had that rocket launch late last night, early this morning. Now you see at KSC rain right on top of some of those launch sites. So more of that will be building in. Again, coming in from the west as the west coast sea breeze develops a little bit later in the afternoon. So here on a scale between 1 and 5, we're at a 1, which is a marginal risk. That doesn't mean we won't see some really strong storms, though. The main threats are going to be strong wind, lightning, and some of those heavy downpours that could add up fairly quickly. Here's the future radar, and we take you through 2 o'clock this afternoon, and it looks a bit more widespread than a single line. Now, over the past few events that we had when we had severe weather, we had the line that moved in. This one will move from west to east, but notice it's sort of scattered about as we put it into motion here. We take you through 3 o'clock this afternoon, and those deeper reds indicating the heavier downpours for Sanford on into northern sections and inland areas of Volusia County, DeLand, Deltona, back over to Lake Catherine and Lake County, and then back into Apopka for downtown Orlando as well. So a large part of Orange County on through 6, 7 o'clock tonight, seeing some of those heavier downpours. But again, you see the movement moving from west to east. But then by 9 o'clock, the bulk of the rain looks like it will be in southern sections of Brevard County. Still, as late as 11, a chance for some heavier downpours. Then it starts to weaken. Here's a look at the hour-by-hour forecast.
Sponsored by Strata Air Conditioning and Heating. AC emergency? You ought to call Strata.
So temperatures will be in the mid-80s into the next few hours, but notice that coverage of rain up to 90% of the area. So a good bit of us getting in on heavy rain heading into the next few hours. And again, it'll be late this evening before we begin to see it come to an end. You'll be watching meteorologist Candace Campos. She'll be out here watching it closely and tracking it very carefully for you. There are the temperatures early in the morning tomorrow. Will be mild and muggy once again. 71 in Orlando, 68 for Ocala, and 73 for Cocoa Beach. Now a look at your 7-day forecast. As we get results, you'll see those rain chances are going to be fairly high the next few days, staying up to 90% for tomorrow, 80% on Wednesday, 60% Thursday. By the weekend, though, much drier, but those highs in the low 80s because of all the rain. Guys, back to you.